All right, so we're at Borough Market now,
yes.
and
It's very packed.
it's very, very packed. But I've heard that on weekends it's especially packed. But this is the only time we could come, so, and our hotel is like closer to here now.
Yeah.
But I've heard about this Kappacasein Dairy place because they have the best grilled cheese in the world apparently. So that's what I'm going to do right now. All right, so there's two lines, raclette and toasty. I'm guessing toasty is the grilled cheese, so I'm going to go with the toasty. Wow, look at that. I just sliced off that cheese. That smells really good. I smell the cheese. This is how they're making it there. Hi, can I just get one of those grilled cheese sandwiches, please? Thank you. It smells amazing. This is really good. I can see why everybody raves about this. It's like all these different kinds of melted cheeses, plus the bread is like all buttered and toasted too, so it's so good. And I think there's even cheese on the bread, like lots of cheese. I think if you're lactose intolerant, you can't have this, but I think I'm a little bit, but I don't even care. Okay, now that I've pigged out on that, that was so good. We're gonna try to find Candy something to eat. She needs something healthy, that's not fatty, that doesn't have dairy.
Which, I don't know. But they'll have, usually markets, you know, they like to give you that greasy stuff, I feel like, so I might not find anything here.
They have restaurants too, so
yeah, we could always
maybe you can find something at a restaurant. Turkish deli, oh, Turkish coffee. Like every single place is so packed. Very, very crowded. Let's see, oysters, Mediterranean. What about Mediterranean food?
Yeah, we can sit down.
Let me see.
It's pretty packed.
Let's see if they have anything here. It's called Arthur Hooper's.
Nah, I don't see anything.
Right next to it is a pub, the Market Porter. The Ginger Pig was another one I heard about. I think it's like barbecue. Lots of fresh fruits. Monmouth Coffee Company. Sausage rolls. Yeah, I heard this place was good too, the Ginger Pig. Another oyster place called Wright Brothers. What's bao up there?
It's probably that Chinese thing.
Oh.
It's those little sandwiches and that circle thing.
The charcoal grill. What about here? Anything here? Arabica.
I don't know.
I don't know what type of food this is.
I know, that's why I'm looking at the menu. I don't know what it is. It's like I need pictures, like Japan.
Looks like they have like hummus stuff.
What's this?
Mei Mei. Oh, they have like, well, I might try that deep fried chicken on Chinese chicken rice.
Maybe I'll try this.
There's like, there's wraps here, maybe chicken wraps. Let's see, chicken shawarma wrap. Roasted chicken.
Oh yeah, that might be good.
Yeah, take a look and see what it is.
Oh, it looks really fresh.
That seems like something you might enjoy.
Yeah, maybe I'll get that.
Okay.
Chicken wrap. After a while, when I've been traveling for weeks, like I just want something healthy, and I don't want to keep eating deep fried, or it's just my stomach is so weak. Like it's the last day, and I'm like, I don't want to feel like crap on the plate.
Okay, so Candy just tried to get chicken over there, but they said they were all out. I mean, I guess they're an hour and a half before closing, so maybe that's why they didn't have it. Looks like they have chicken wraps here. They might have grilled chicken, maybe. Let's see.
Said no chicken.
They're out of chicken too?
You just told them no chicken.
Oh my god, everybody is out of chicken here. I don't understand why. Alright, so we're gonna go back to the Mei Mei place
And what do you want? You want this one, right?
The fried one. Fried chicken.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so we decided to eat at Mei Mei's because they were out of chicken everywhere else. Like everywhere Candy wanted to go get chicken at, they were all out of it. I don't know why they're like so scarce on chicken here, but this place still had their chicken. There's rice, which is always a good sign. We love rice. What's the verdict?
It's good.
Good? All right.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna eat again. Okay, so we just finished our dinner at Mei Mei's, and it was pretty good. I enjoyed it. Did you enjoy
I
it?
enjoyed mine.
Yeah.
We were looking at other options where I was, like a sandwich that can walk around and eat, but everyone, because they're close to closing, so every time I wanted some chicken sandwich, they're like, oh, we're out of chicken, we only have lamb or something. I'm like, no, I really want a chicken. So
And Candy was getting hangry,
I was getting
so
hangry, and I'm
we
like,
had
you
to
know
hurry up
what?
and find her some food.
I was like, I don't want to walk around. The first thing I see next that I like, I'm just going to take it. Because it's like packed too, so like, you know when you're hungry, you don't want to walk around.
Yeah,
I'm
you just want that food.
just want the food.
Want that food. All right, let's go check this place out. So let's go see what's on this side over here. Yeah, they already closed this one because they were out of the chicken, the Arabica. They're like, we're done for the day. Oh, they have pasta.
Oh, nice. But it's all like fancy type, like crab.
Yeah.
Like I just want regular pasta.
We're like simple people.
Yeah.
We like simple things.
We like simple ingredients, but you know, like it doesn't have to be fancy for me. As long as it's like got a lot of flavor with the simple ingredients, I'm fine with that.
Yeah.
I don't need that truffle oil.
That's right. Look, see, if we would have walked further, they would have had Japanese.
Yeah, let's see what this has. Oh, barbecue. That's weird.
Barbecue and bento.
So not a traditional type.
Yeah, so there's Indian street food, vegetarian, there's Mexican, then there's Japanese.
There's Thai street
Thai
food.
across. So if we would have came out just a little bit further, we would have found more options. Yeah, they have a lot of stuff here. So let's see. Oh, it smells really good over here. And lots of people sitting on the stairs over there. This is where everybody eats, I guess. All right, so over here looks like ciabatta, fish. Lots of dogs walking around here too. I've seen several already.
They like to eat all the food off the ground.
Yeah, and Kuma could not come here. There's no way. Falafel, deli. Kind of like an Asian fusion kind of place.
Oh
they
man,
have
that looks really good.
vegan gyoza.
Yeah, those are
Chicken
But it's
gyoza.
beef. But it looks oh, they have Singapore laksa here
Yeah,
too.
so it's like a mix of things
Yeah.
here.
That looks delicious. If I was at home, I would eat this stuff.
Yeah. Oh, cheese. That looks good, but I am too full right now. Some ice cream. And then there's more Japanese. This is Japanese rice bowls. More, look, we could have totally had this too. All right, so Tel Aviv market food and humble crumble. What is that? Hot apple crumble with pure vanilla custard. That sounds amazing.
Oh, this sounds delicious.
This sounds so good.
I love crumble stuff. Filtered
Really?
crumble. It's the sugar. Well, that's what it is. Like,
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what comes out here. Oh, they have 3 types. They have half apple or rhubarb and strawberry, and then half and half. Oh, okay. So it's like they basically like warmed diced fruit with whatever topping you want on top. So it's not something I would typically would get, but Candy likes it.
I mean, it looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah. I probably won't get it though because it's dairy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it goes around the corner here. So
Popular spot.
Yeah, so this is good.
All right, we're gonna try to find another dessert place though.
Yeah.
Got the toilets over there.
Got some toilets. Borough Market toilets. Yeah, they close at 5 today, so they're gonna close in like 45 minutes. All the poor dogs are like, oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. This is Indian. And then Iraqi cuisine. Oh, I did see a YouTube video on this about Iraqi cuisine because it's not typical to have Iraqi cuisine. It's pretty busy here.
Yeah.
This is variety. Steak and veggies, I guess.
Yeah. Kappa.
This looks like the most relaxed right here. Fresh juices. I love this kind of stuff. See, they got lemonade, orange mango.
They're not that expensive.
Oh, $3.50 a cup. That's not bad.
Yeah. Used to like $5, $7.
Well, the green one is like $6, 6 pounds. It's like they got lots of seafood over here. Oh my gosh, look at this big fish.
Stuff too.
Yeah. So you can buy like fruits, veggies, fresh fish. So yeah, you can buy fresh meats here.
Yeah, so it's like a dining market and also like a market to purchase stuff, like to take home and cook.
So more kebabs, stuff like that. Oh, they have fresh eggs. That's cute. So there's this other place called Green Market. Oh, yeah, it says more stalls open this way. My goodness, this actually is a little bit bigger than I thought.
Yeah, it's pretty big. There's a lot of different food options here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is another.
But here's your
addition.
desserts, Crystal.
I don't like that it's laid out like this though. It doesn't really look appetizing to me. But yes, they have lots of different types of desserts. Oh, I read about this one.
Okay.
They said this was really good, the contour. I'm so full right now that I can't even think about dessert. Although it looks delicious. Some sauces, dressings. And I'm guessing this is granola bars.
I feel like this section is not where they're cooking. It's already made.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So like baked goods,
Yeah.
seasonings. This looks good here. Cookies, brownies, treats. So we just found this corner area here where you can actually sit down and eat. All right, so going back to the main place now. We kind of like went off, it was called Green Market, but it's still part of the Borough Market. I guess they had to expand it.
I guess
And
so.
now we're gonna go back to like the main area. I like how the train is up there. Cocoa bar. Oh, they have a Borough Market gift shop.
That's cute.
That is very cute. And they have refillable water. Okay, so I think we discovered as much as we can at Borough Market. I mean, it's definitely a great place to come if you're hungry.
Oh yeah, so many different options. And I would say a pretty decent price for the stuff that we got.
Yep.
Yeah, so seafood, meat, whatever you're into, they probably
They have it all.
Yeah, they have it all here.
So this concludes our little tour of Borough Market. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Bye.